Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. Today we're going to be doing an ocean-themed Dutch pour inspired by Rinske Douna, who is the queen and inventor of the Dutch pour method. So check her out on YouTube. She's absolutely fabulous, and she inspired me to do this painting today. So let's get some paint down, and here we go. Our base coat will be just Artist Loft Blue Flow Acrylic. I haven't added any other colors to that cup. The pouring medium is Floetrol, Glue-All, water, and a little bit of varnish. And I've actually put in a tiny bit of pearlescent medium to make it shiny. You can leave that out. I just felt like adding it in. So you can see it's quite a thin consistency. Leaves just a little trace. And I might actually add a bit more water to it, but that will be our base coat. Our colors are Artist Loft Copper, again that I've mixed with my Floetrol concoction and a little bit of extra water to thin it out. This is our Decoart 24 karat gold. This is just a light blue blend of different blues and some white, thinned out really nicely. A tiny bit of pearl in there. This is just kind of a teal turquoise color that I kind of threw a whole bunch of my colors together. I think I mixed a dark turquoise and a lime. Anyways, you know me, always mixing the colors, so that's that color. And then our last color is actually, the special color is our Amsterdam white. This is Amsterdam titanium white. It is such a brilliant paint. Completely different than other white paints, other than the color looks the same. How it reacts in a Dutch pour, the kind of cells that you get when it's thin is very, very unique. People use it in blooms. This is what I'm using today for our white paint, and I'm actually going to add a few extra drops of water in there just to make it a wee bit thinner. And we're going to put down our blue base coat, get our canvas covered, and blow out some beautiful things, and hopefully they will look as pretty as the one that Rinske did. So here we go. Let's get this base coat down. Now I did torch the paint off camera. There's a few air bubbles in there. And the other thing I noticed is because I mixed my 2 cups of blue separately and added a little bit of iridescent medium and pearl medium to them, I can see some little different shimmers in here, which I think is actually going to add to the painting beautifully. So I'm excited about that. All right, let's get some of these colors down and we'll see what we see. We'll start with our lovely light blue. Just kind of go across like that. Maybe across like this. Our 24 karat gold. I think she put that on last. I'm going to do that too. I'm going to also put that on last. See that? That doesn't belong there. We're going to pick that up, and we'll pick up that dot just in case. You know, we may not blow over that section, so we might not want a dot of copper in there in that way. If there's a little, we'll just spread it around. It'll be fine. It won't show. There's a little bit of blue-green here too, which I'll just blend in. Just blend it. Try not to drip too much. Those will probably get covered over anyways when we get the hairdryer on them, but try to be neat. See, I'm dripping everywhere. I'm making a mess. Okay, we'll do our white. I might do a bit more white. Since I'm not pouring it in with the cup because I have a bigger cup, I will just add more this way. And it drizzled again, but that is going to get blown around. Okay, and then our gold, our 24 karat gold. All right. I'll worry about those dots later because they'll probably be gone. Okay, well, let's see what we can do with this, shall we? Gonna keep it on low and see what happens. All right, here goes. I completely forgot the extra paint to blow over. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put it on this side though. I did not blow the colors over, like I missed an entire step. Can you believe that? But this is going to have to be left as it is because I've already done that. I'm going to blow it out a little bit more. Quite pretty. It's a little lacy here, but since I messed it up, you know, that's how it goes. Let's blow these colors over. Let's do it properly this time. Oh my goodness. Okay, here it goes. It's very pretty. Look at all the lovely, lovely cells and details in there. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know if it's as bright as I want, but it's absolutely just darling. Don't love this corner here, but I'm not real good at blowing just get a little bit of just wanted to soften that up. I don't know if that's better or worse, but I might just leave it like that. No, I won't. I think I like it better. I was really worried that we didn't blow the colors over here, but then there's a lot, you know, of darker areas than over here, which is good. Our copper and our gold have blended a lot more on this side, but overall, I think we're okay. I think we are. Let's give it a little torch and cells or any interesting things come out of here. But overall, it's really pretty. And I honestly don't think I dare touch anything. Maybe a little over here, because I can see that blue there, and now it's kind of annoying me. I can kind of see that little blob of green there, and this is kind of a harsh edge. Yeah, that's all right. I don't even mind that the blue came out there. It's it kind of works. Let's look around a little bit more. Beautiful colors. I like the shape of everything. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it. This will be our one and done on this, and then we'll play around with some more later, because this is wonderful. I can see why Rinske likes to do so many of them, because wow. So unexpected, you have no idea what's coming, and boom, there it is. So anyways, thank you for watching us, our little fan painting here, because I'm a big fan of Rinske's, and I'm so happy at how it turned out, and I hope you like it too. And I hope you go and try something, you know, see a technique from an artist that you love, and try it out for yourself. You might be surprised and make a little treasure for your wall. Thanks again. Go paint something and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.